Okay, this is Mama Moonstar in Prattsburg, New York. This is hard to watch, and I've never seen anything like it in my life. The squirrel killed a bird on our deck, and he's eating it. I don't know what's wrong with him. I don't know what's happening, but it's very disconcerting in the crisis we're in right now. Not saying it's coronavirus, but what the hell is going on? He's eating a bird. Has anyone ever seen this before? I didn't think squirrels attack birds like this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Maybe he's got rabies or something.
I'm gonna kill that motherfucker.
Oh my God.
It's a little one. Let the dog out. Let that motherfucker. Let you sick bitch. Let the dog out. I'm just gonna load my gun and kill him right now. I can't shoot towards the street though.
March 16th, 2020. I have no idea what's going on.